Hi fifth grader, you have some work from Friday that you didn't do, and I wanted to use this video to show you what you're going to do. So I would like for you to go to Schoology, and once you get to Schoology, click on your reading course. The work that you need to do is in the Friday folder. So after you click on reading, you'll click on Friday. In the Friday folder, there are 4 things for you to do. So you have these 4 things, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'd like to show you what it's like to work through the folder. So it says start here, so you'll click. Once you open, it's important that you read the information, and then every single time you should scroll down because there's more. Okay? So this has you reading information, watching a video, and then eventually you're going to end up at the Common Lit website. You'll need to log in and follow the directions. The directions were in the video. So if you don't know what to do in Common Lit, go back and watch the video. After you complete your work in Common Lit, you're not finished. Please go back to Schoology and work on your other tasks. I like to use, and I've set it up so that you use the next button. So when you click next, it takes you to your next task. There's information for you to read. Once again, every single time that you open a page in Schoology, it's important to scroll so you can make sure you get all of the information. So on this page, your task is to read and watch the video. After you read and watch the video, click Next. On this page, your task is to read, and then you're going to do something with this timer. You'll read and find out. So after you have read and do what you're supposed to do with the timer, then you click Next. You guys will not be going this fast. Each page, the task takes some time. I'm just going quickly because it's a video. The directions here say to please take a picture of the thinking you wrote down in your reader's notebook. So this is called a media album. So the first thing that you'll need to do is take a picture of the thinking that you wrote in your notebook. After you take a picture using your Chromebook, you click Add Media. Mine looks slightly different because it's a laptop, not a Chromebook. But after you click Add Media, go find the picture of your notebook and add that to the media album. Once you have completed this task, you have completed all of the tasks in the Friday folder. If you have any questions, please email me. Also, I do expect for you to have a notebook that is just for reading. And if you don't have a reading notebook, please email me.